Sound rolling.
Okay. Individualism, I will term this project as individualism, keeping intact each personality's features into their individual spaces, yet stringing together their commonality was the main idea behind this project when I was doing this. This client, they are basically NRIs. They are situated at Kuwait, and this is their 40 years old house. And when I had seen the house was in complete zarred condition. The walls were all black out of seepage, this being a creek area. The walls were looking very fragile. The floor was in bad condition. The entire house was not at all welcoming condition. And the old furniture, 40-year-old furniture were lying here. So he said, Neha, this is the house, you have to transform, have a look at it. So if I have to mention, it's a family of 4. So every individual in the family is very varied personality. So when I was making this house, this was the main idea, that how can I merge everybody's personality in this house by giving their own personalities in their rooms, yet there has to be a single thread which is stringing between them. So when I talked to her on phone, I found her very soft. She mentioned me one thing, Neha, I am very much in with lilac color and I want that, if you can give me that color. But as I mentioned that she has been traveling all over the world and she's already an NRI. So she already has a taste for the things, she already has exposure for many of the things all over the world. So it just came in my mind that why not to blend that lilac color, particularly that lilac color, with the European scheme. And though the entire house is modern, giving a little off in her room by giving a European scheme along with lilac color will depict her softness, through the curves, through the shapes, through the textiles, through the color tones in that room. So detailing matters a lot. When we see here, I have used very customized cast iron hooks along with these cast iron customized handles on this mirrored console, along with fresh green and this beautiful lamp. Together makes a beautiful composition. A part of the room floor is used in very printed tiles. Instead of using that tile completely all over the room, we rather used the printed tiles as a part of the room towards the window. And that, in fact, as an additional drama, what we did was, taking it from the horizontal, we turned it to the vertical portion also. So I could recall very well with this lamp. I had been to Malaysia for my vacations, and the moment I had seen it, I could recollect that it can go very well along with the floor tiles, and without any second thought, I just picked it. So this wall has a very interesting story behind it. This initially was not thought of, but when we were putting plumbing lines to the toilet behind this wall was required to be extended in this room. And when the wall was being constructed, it was completely raw, and at that moment the thought came in my mind, let's keep it exposed and give a complete drama to the room. Initially they mentioned that they want their room to be very simple, and they want their room to be very modern also. That came in my mind that if this is a couple, they may like to have a cup of coffee in the evening, or maybe their morning coffees together. Then why not to give coffee table set towards the window, wherein they can also enjoy that beauty of sunset or sunrise, and yet they are spending time with each other when they are away from their work from Kuwait and they are here in India to enjoy these days. So here we are entering the room of gentleman. He is very dynamic in his personality. So keeping that in mind, I have used very vibrant colors, what you can see here. And these are the few pieces which I have picked from Malaysia. And in fact, these were meant for something else as shelf or other functional purpose. But I specifically have used it in a form of art installation. So this was very much, there was irony, and when the room was turned out, he said, how come Neha you know that red is my favorite color and it's been shown there in the entire room. To give the sense of space, we have used full length mirror here. And as you see, it doubles up all the elements, right from the lights to the blinds, and the elements are completely getting infinite and infinite. When it comes to living room, where everybody is coming together and spending time together, so everybody has to feel that this is their space. If you see, I have used very pastel shades of blue as couch, which is very different and very much eye-catching. And I blended it along with orange backdrops, which is in limited portion, but yet complementing it a lot. So when we were making many permutation combinations of the furniture layout in the room, so there were many elements which were to come within the room. And actually the floor space was not sufficient to accommodate each and everything. Yet there is a lot of sense of space, free space is there all around. We tried keeping everything towards the wall. The couches at one end of the wall, the TV unit at the other end of the wall, then the TV unit is extended as the bar unit along the wall itself, instead of keeping it as a separate unit, something with a separate counter on it. So this way we have saved a lot of space. So structurally, this wall is very interesting rather, I would say, because when we had seen this wall, there were multiple openings on a single span of wall. But we didn't want to keep it prototype, one opening, another opening, third opening and the fourth opening. We wanted to make it a seamless effect. So the idea came that why not to panel this entire wall with one single element and camouflage the doors, wherein when the doors are closed, nobody will, in fact, even will get to know that there is any kind of opening. Okay, तो my mantra is वो जो खुशी होती है ना क्लाइंट के चेहरे पे, उसको देख के लगता है okay, I have received everything.